Good evening, everyone. You might be seeing something here. It's called as anti-gravity. This is whole new technology which is launched by Google. Last session recording is I've not uploaded it. I've not got time. This is more hands-on experience of the last session because last session में क्या हुआ था? A lot of people have learned what I taught, but when practically when they were trying to make a GPT, they were unsuccessful or their errors were coming. So approximately I received around 100, 200 requests that day saying that, sir, we want a repeat session. This is happening, this mistake is happening, that mistake is happening. So I thought, let's have a repeat session today so that we can have a smooth transaction. So we'll just wait. It's just 4:01 p.m. Okay, जब तक वेट करते रहेंगे तब तक कुछ और करते हैं. Okay. This is a software which has got nothing to do with today's training. It's called as anti-gravity. Okay. It's by Google, completely free of cost. Let's ask it. What can you? Okay. Can I do something else? Hey, what can you do for me? I heard that anti-gravity is some viral software which can do wonders. Did you see something? I said that and it got typed. Okay. And specifically without even a single mistake, it got typed. Whisper flow. Swapnil, you are wonderful, man. You don't need any sessions. Okay. What it says is it can do feature implementation, it can do design enhancement, it can do refactoring and performance optimization, it can do general coding of task. Let's go one step further and ask it. I am a mutual fund distributor. Make money by selling mutual funds, insurance, and other financial related products. How can you help me better my business? पहले तो सोचना था, अभी तो लिखना भी नहीं पड़ता है. टाइप करने का भी आलसीपना हो गया अभी. Human life value. Oh, what it says is, oh my God, as a mutual fund distributor, your growth depends on two main pillars, client acquisition and client education. We can transform your website from a static profile into a lead generation and sales enablement machine. Cost of delay, SIP calculators, risk profiler and asset allocation quiz, human life value insurance calculated, automated NFO ELSS marketing copy generator. Which tool would you like to build first? Let's say automated NFO ELSS marketing copy generator. Guys, you're saying I'm not typing, I'm talking. And exactly word to word, it's typing. It started developing a NFO ELSS marketing copy generator. I've created, okay, implementation plan. Let's check. Okay, इसने कुछ तो बनाया. अच्छा. Create a premium interactive client engagement tool designed for mutual fund distributors to instantly generate persuasive customized copy. Propose modify index. Add a navigation link button in the header. Preview output, actions, manual entry generation. I am not a software engineer. I have no idea what you have written in the right hand side. Can you explain to me like a layman? Okay. To send it, simply click copy to clipboard or then send via WhatsApp, which will automatically open WhatsApp with a text page. Does it sound like a tool which will save time? Okay, step one, choose your goal. No problem. Let me explain. Use it grow. Imagine you have a private workspace or dashboard. When you open it, you will apply. Click choose your audience, enter the details. If yes, just let me know. I'll go ahead. I have no idea what it has written, but try me. Okay, go ahead. शायद ये मेरे लिए वेबसाइट वेबसाइट बना रहा है. I think so. I'm testing it just working. This has got nothing to do with our today's training. I've just, I think instead of playing some dumb video or timer, I thought let's text some software which is way above us. Okay, some generator. I have no idea. It has written a 336 page code already. This is called as Google Anti-Gravity. It's writing this code. You can see. Oh my God. See this, what it's writing. Guys, can you see this? It's writing a full-fledged code walkthrough. Okay. Walkthrough automated task, three files change. So how to use this? Okay, create and send message, select. Okay, index HTML पे मुझे click करना है. Open the folder named anti-gravity, which is stored in the couple folder. Hope you can see my folders, right, guys? Couple करके folder है. इसमें एंटी ग्रेविटी है. इसमें उसने जनरेटर इंडेक्स करके एक फाइल बनाया है. लेट मी क्लिक. इट हैज ओपन. ओके. आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज द थिंग. जनरेटर. You campaign goal. Guys, you see, he has built a website for us. Campaign goal, ELSS tax saving, young professionals or high net worth individuals, urgent action oriented professional advisory, warm and empathetic, recipient name. So let's try something like ELSS only for young professionals, urgent and action oriented. Say, type it for Ramesh M. Selling pro save rupees 46,800. ये बकवास है, but okay, no issues. Okay, let's generate studentcorporate.com WhatsApp preview. I can copy the text and send a WhatsApp. Right? If I do research on it, I think we can do wonders in this. And it has connected to a website it has built. Okay, I tried this website on something. No, I tried this website on anti-gravity. Yes, yes. This was the same. I give me my LinkedIn profile and told to build a website. It has built a website for me. I didn't do anything. I just gave a LinkedIn profile. Whatever LinkedIn profile I have. Okay, whatever credentials. Okay, I did that CFGP course. Everything came in. Okay, it has even captured my address. Okay. Okay, guys, done. We are back to our this thing. Uh, you don't need of this. Okay, guys, back. So let's go to our basic of today. What we wanted to do, we wanted to check down this Markdown prompting. Ramesh, you can see my screen, right? Perfectly. Okay. Guys, please Just send me a yes who have attended the first session. How many people have attended the first session? Just type a yes or no in chat. How many people have attended 3 days back session? Yes, yes, only two. No, 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 yes, no, I have not. Yes, 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 no, 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 no. Yes, no. Mixed reactions, eh? But okay, so thank you guys, thank you. Who have attended the day before yesterday's session? Have you tried to make any GPT? And were you successful? If you have been successful, just write yes. Okay. And if you are not successful, please write, then I will start. Please write, say, repeat. Poster creator, Swapnil, great. Repeat, okay, repeat, 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 repeat. Oh my God, I'm getting too many repeats. Okay, done. Okay, we'll go with the repeat of just the basic of what is Markdown prompting, and then we will jump directly in making the GPTs so that you will understand practically what is the best way we can do. Okay, make them fast chana जाऊंगा इस पे. This will not waste time on this. Okay, these are all what don't use as okay Markdown prompting. Okay, write a LinkedIn post. Okay, ऐसा करके एक आपने prompt दिया. Okay, the post will become known in very, very vague manner. What is a markdown prompt? Markdown prompt, you give role, you give context, you give tone. Okay, we will discuss in detail. Okay, what is role? Okay, role means you are assigning your AI employee a specific role. For example, you have hired a fresh MBA graduate who is a topper in his college and told him, okay, you have to reply for emails. Okay, you have given a specific post to him that you are an email copywriter or you are a person who specializes in replying to all emails from the client. Okay, second guy, you have hired one more candidate, okay, whose specific role is a social media marketer. He has to create posts and post on social media. Third guy you have hired, okay, and you have given whatever leads you have generated from social media, you have to do a cold calling. Okay, these are the specific roles which you have they available in your day-to-day activities, which you continuously keep on doing. Okay, and people will receive it and will do it so that A exactly knows what is the role. Second is the objective. Objective is very, very important because the person who's doing that role has to know what is the objective of this. What is the objective of replying to email? The objective of replying to the email is if a client is sending a query, okay, you have replied to him promptly and on time. If you have replied him, okay, what the objective will be solved is, okay, that client will be impressed that I've got a reply from the distributor. Okay, he's an advisor, he's on time, he's correcting, he is addressing my query. Okay, he is addressing my issue. Maybe it might be a small issue like that. This month ECS did not get debited. Okay, but if you have attended and answered that query very in fast, okay, then that client will always remain loyal to you and you are want to get in references from that client. So that is the objective. What is the context? Context for the first guy of email is his context is very simple. Make the customer happy. Okay, make him wanted and he should feel that he is being taken care of. Okay, instruction to this guy, to this role guy. Okay, boss, every 15 minutes check your email. Okay, whenever you receive an email, go through the email, understand the email, understand the problem, what the client wants. Okay, try to resolve the query. That is the instruction for the. There might be instruction one, two, three, four. Okay. Loud. Okay, I think I'm not loud. Again, the loud issue is coming. I don't know why. Format, you will instruct him. This is the format you have to follow. Okay, 100% the reply should be drafted into the same format. No variation. Okay, no personal hi hellos. Okay, if it is going to written as sir, then it has to be written as sir. No dear, no respected, no suspected sir. Okay, that format should be very clear. The tone, what you want to address, the email. Okay, Everything you have to know. The tone should be friendly, tone should be very professional, tone should be like you are writing one draft for Morgan Stanley or some Deccan Chronicle or whatever it is. Okay, the tone should be fixed. So these are the instructions you are going to give to the employee who have recruited only one time. Remember, this instruction has to be given very carefully, okay, very well, and only one time. उसके बाद इस इंस्ट्रक्शन को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो आप. चेंज करना है मतलब यू हैव टू डिलीट दैट एंड मेक ए न्यू वन. So make sure that when you are going to write this prompt or when you are going to give this instruction, you have gone through all the parameters and give this prompt only once. Okay. Thank you. Next. What is the next thing? Role, I have told you everything. Simple. Okay. Uh, let's get to the prompts. Okay. Uh, as I've already instructed you, please take the screenshot. If you have not taken the screenshot, please take the screenshot of the 6 script checklist. Can you take a screenshot? If not, please take it. Just reply yes if you have taken the screenshot. Okay, done. Great. The second screenshot, very, very important. This one, special prompting structure. Okay, custom GPTs, which is called as Markdown prompting. Today, all we are going to learn is only this Markdown prompting. Okay, we are going to test it in n number of scenarios. Have you taken a screenshot? Yes, no, yes, no. Please take this screenshot. Very, 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 very important. Okay. And the last but not the least, you have to memorize these words. And if you want, take a screenshot also. Okay. Always give me the output in a code editor or a code block so that the markdown is retained. Okay. What does the markdown retain or what does it mean? I'll explain to you in detail. Previous screen again, I want. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These three are the important one. Okay. Now we'll go to markdown prompting in detail. Okay. Same what I've explained to you 2 minutes back. Role, objective, context, instructions, and notes. What all I've already explained. What does notes means? If you want to add any extra points. Okay, but we will go step by step. Here you can see there is a hashtag. Okay, star star and role. Why it is written in this format? Hashtag star star, double hashtag star star, hashtag double star. Okay, what does this mean is, okay, role of first hashtag when you given, it means this is headline number one. Okay, headline number one, headline number one, headline number one, headline number one, headline number one. Okay, two hashtags means second headline. Okay. So when AI is going to read this prompt, it is going to read this prompt as the first important things are role, objective, context, instruction, and notes. Okay. Second, double hash. So second, what is the most important in your prompt is the instruction 1, instruction 2, and instruction 3. Clear, guys? So how to write, don't have to worry. Everything will make AI to do for us. Okay. But you have to know this and you have to have it ready handy with you. Okay. So I'm exiting the PPT and we are going go to live. Okay. Now let's jump. First, we will practice on ChatGPT without what we call without using Markdown prompting. We will try to create a GPT. Okay, without using and with using, so that you understand what is the difference. Okay, go to more, go to GPTs, go to create. Okay, now guys, I need your advice. What GPT you want to create? Okay, I have picked some topics which I have received from the WhatsApp on yesterday I sent you a message. First is the SIP storyteller. Second is market volatility pandemic. Third is jargon-free reviewer of portfolio. Fourth is cold lead nurture, मतलब how to handle cold calls. Okay. Fifth is niche content machine, act as MFD's personal chief marketing officer. Okay. HNI referral magnet, how to ask HNIs for reference. Okay. These are certain things which people came up with ideas. You tell me what you want to do, what you want to automate in your life. Don't just pick it from here. This is just okay. This is just one of the ideas which people try to give me. Cold lead nurture. Pradeep ji, matlab, I just gave, but it's not necessary that cold lead is a big problem. We will try to automate those things which are actually a pain to us. Okay, which are actually causing pain, where we will use AI to solve that pain. Okay, maybe cold calling is the pain for you. Okay, maybe it is. Okay, idea to story poster with my branding. Okay, सर उसके लिए तो कैनवा है ही ना. स्वप्निल जी, and my information with license. Please help with LinkedIn post writing. Okay, that we can do. Role of MFD versus direct. Some Monish, how will this be a daily activity? Role of MFD versus direct platform. I'm talking about daily activities where you peel the plane. So we can automate that. So that, matlab, for example, if making breakfast is the biggest problem, so then what we will do is we'll get married, or we'll hire a robot, okay, or we'll hire a Kamali bai. That is automation, okay, so that we get breakfast. So role of MFD can, what's the purpose of automating it? Okay, daily updating the client's portfolio review. Okay, very good. Market update and current affairs. Also, how to create WhatsApp status images. अल्लाह जितना बेचता यूज कर लो ना. Daily anyway, top performing funds. अरे विनोद, already we send every day WhatsApp community messages like FD or ETF or MF for bonds, prospecting, existing review, what to keep and what to exit, auto post generator, portfolio balancing. Okay, major to lead creation, social media, marketing, daily, global market updates. Okay. So without Markdown prompting, we will try that first. Say global market updates, चलो उस पे करते हैं. I want to create a GPT which will update me on a daily basis about what's happening in the global market. I am a resident of India and I trade in mutual funds and stocks in India. So I want this GPT to give me a view every morning on what's happening in the global market and what it can do, what kind of an influence it will have on the Indian market, so that I can plan my portfolios buying and selling for that day. मैंने लंबा चौड़ा बोल दिया उसको. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई. आई हैव रिटन आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ जीपीटी. मतलब मैंने जो बोला वो अपडेट हो गया उधर. जीपीटी विच विल अपडेट मी ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. ओके, आई हैव द कोर behavior defined for the GPT's name. I suggested global marketing brief. I would like to use global morning brief, or would you prefer a different name? It's okay. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Give me today's global market. Here right side, I'm testing the model. It's already ready now. I'm testing the model now. Okay. Give me today's global market briefing. What happened overnight? US equities positive finish to the week. Okay. The GPT is ready. Yeah. I've made the GPT here. I've not used any marketing configuration. Blah blah blah. Okay. Oil key for India. इसमें बहुत बड़ा बड़ा दे दिया. Okay. दिस इज लाइक ओके. इतना कौन पढ़ेगा भाई? इतना पढ़ना होता तो मैं डॉक्टर होता या आईएएस ऑफिसर होता. सो लेट्स गो बैक टू इट एंड से I love the output, but it is too lengthy. Okay. Give me it in a style where I can send the entire update on WhatsApp to my clients. Okay. And even plan my day. I want basically what you have given in a snapshot, maybe in the form of an image or maybe in form of a table, but a very small one. Okay. So plan my GPT accordingly and make the correct changes. Guys, you're seeing this, right? Whatever I'm talking, it is typing. Excellent. I have refined. Okay. Jet output. It has given everything. Okay. Again, I'm going and asking the same question to this. Create today's WhatsApp market snapshot. Let's see what it does. Okay. Morning market snapshot. ये बहुत बकवास सा बन के आया है. ओके, बहुत बकवास सा बन के आया है. मुझे नहीं लगा, अच्छा लगा. ओके. Let's see. This I will not be able to send. Okay. Now what is happening? Okay. I have given it an instruction in a layman style. Okay. ये मैंने ऐसा instruction दिया था उसको. Okay. So what it has done is it has written a prompt for itself. Can you see this prompt, guys? Instruction. Can you see this? Please type a yes. Okay. If ChatGPT can write this prompt for me, okay, and the output is this, then I can write much better prompt, okay, using Markdown prompting. If you remember, just 5 minutes back, we learned it, okay. Now, same GPT, we will modify it. We will remove this, we will delete it, okay, and we will use something called as Markdown prompting. How to use that? Okay, simple. Let's not disturb ChatGPT right now because I've made this. We'll put this configuration here. Let's go over to Google Gemini. Okay, what we have to do first? We have to add these 3 screenshots. If you remember, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What was the program here? What were we talking about? We were talking about global market snapshot for Indian investors. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's copy this. Okay, what we have written them and just paste it here. I want to create a GPT which will update me on a daily basis about what's happening in the global market. Okay, now we will add something. I'll say use the Markdown prompting, okay, of what I have added in the images for you to understand and give me the entire prompt in the Markdown prompting style, okay, and follow the photographs which I have uploaded along with this prompt. Okay, now let's go and try. Let's wait because it's on pro mode. It has given me a complete markdown prompt. Okay, first let's list it down. Now what I have done, role. You're a top tier global macro strategist and seasonal financial analyst specializing in cross market linkages between global markets and the Indian financial ecosystem. NSC, BSC, Indian mutual funds and equity markets. You embody an analytical, high professional, objective and deeply insightful persona. बाप मैं तो ये कभी नहीं लिख सकता. Your primary goal is to provide a comprehensive daily morning brief to the user before the Indian market opens. The briefing must synthesize the overnight performance of major global markets Guys, you saw the way the prompt is written. What we have done, just uploaded three photographs. Okay. Now just copy this prompt. Go back here. Go to configure. In instruction, paste this. Okay. Just paste. Global market update. Okay. And say it's getting created. It's automatically loading. Okay. Let's say create today's market update. Now the same thing we have tested again, but we have changed the configuration by using Markdown prompting. Let's see the answer. Still did not going it good. Oops. Okay. It's not good. I got the output, but the output was in a very funny manner, okay, which I can neither use as an image, neither I can use as a WhatsApp, okay. It was all in bits and pieces and broken. Okay, can you come out with a more appropriate prompt which I can copy in the gem and I can get a proper output? The output must be smaller, okay. In brief, so that the client to whom I will send this output should be attracted and should read it also. Okay, let's go. Ivan, you're not getting my sound? Guys, are you getting my sound? Perfect, right? Now it is changing the draft, optimizing. You can copy everything inside the code block below and paste it. Okay, now I've copied again. Going back to ChatGPT. Yes, sir. Don't worry, I'll share it in the community also. Don't worry. Control V. It is getting updated. Okay. Let's say go. I just type go and check the model. You guys saw the difference? Okay. Global pulse. US market ended the week on a strong note, while Asian markets are broadly positive. The key trigger is sharp fall in crude oil prices on hope of US-Iran agreement, improving global investor sentiment. Okay. Great. The output was mind blowing. Can we get an infographic presentation in the form of an image in 1:1 aspect ratio so that I can post it along with the output on WhatsApp, Facebook, and other digital media? So now I'm telling it to create a picture also of this of the output. Guys, hope you are with me, right? I'm not. Arey, why are you creating the image? ठीक है. I did not want you to create the image, but I wanted you to modify the prompt in Markdown prompting in such a way that when I say it to give me a output, it has to give me the output plus the image. Why is it creating an image? Refining request integration. Okay, integration image generating. Finding prompt instructions. Okay. So not creating the impression. You can copy the entire block now. Okay. Now I've copied. Going back to ChatGPT, configuration, Control A, Control V. Okay, it's created. It's creating. Let's try. Go. Okay, guys, see, it is automatically coming in the form of a image. Previously, it came as a beautiful, one line, or say a text, but now it has come. I'm not able to find instruction part in ChatGPT. Can you please show where to put? Okay, sir, I'll show it again. Yes, sir. I think GPTs are in the paid version only, but I too got it free from ChatGPT itself. They have given me ChatGPT Grow for 12 months free of cost. I don't know. शायद मेरा दाढ़ी पसंद आया होगा उसको. Go, they have given me free. Gemini, I got it free from Airtel. And Perplexity, I got it free from, sorry, Gemini, I got it free from Geo. And Perplexity, I've got it free from Airtel. Airtel, because I have Airtel subscription for internet at house. So I got it from there. Jio तो मेरे पास मोबाइल है, इसके लिए वो यूज की, उसमें वो फ्री आ गया. एंड चैट जीपीटी itself it gave it to me. Go for 12 months free. Guys, see this, see the output. अब ये कहां से आ गया मुझे नहीं पता. एनालिसिस बाय कपिल, फाइनेंशियल प्रोफेशनल. ओके, ग्लोबल पल्स. सी द गाइस, सी द आउटपुट. डू यू लव इट? अच्छा लगा क्या? नो आंसर. Okay. Okay. Now, this was the first case scenario. Again, I'll share, guys, don't worry about the photographs. I'll share it again in the groups immediately after this. Don't worry if you have not taken a screenshot. We can do it again. Now, let's address some pain point. Let's address, okay, something like, now what we'll do is we will create the reverse way. We will create a gem in Google, okay, and we will use ChatGPT to write the instructions, okay. We'll do that. Go to Gemini, okay. Just go to Gemini, gemini.google.com. Here you will find something called as gems. Can you find gems, guys? कैडबरी जेम्स नहीं, ये वाला जेम्स. कैन यू फाइंड इट? व्हेन यू क्रिएट द जेम, ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसा आ गया है जेम मैनेजर. ओके, यहाँ पे आता है न्यू जेम. ओके, क्लिक ऑन द न्यू जेम. ओके, now describe how to do this gem, what to do with the gem. Okay, you can create a gem here. जेम तो बना रहा हूँ, ये जेम ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? Sorry, new gem is here. Okay, same way. Okay, let's say, let's try something for the IAP. Okay, let's try something for the IAP. Okay, first thing what we have to do, we have to add these three images. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now let's try it. So every week we conduct something called as an IAP, Investor Awareness Program. Okay, to bring in new clients who might invest in mutual funds, SIPs, life insurance, and health insurance. Usually, we conduct these events in big gatherings in hotels, from a size of 50 to 100 people who keep on attending this. Okay. Now, what do we want? Guys, only one person knows what I am doing, how this chat type is coming. Does everybody know? Rest of the people know how I am doing this? I'm just speaking to it, and whatever I'm speaking, it's getting typed. Oh, 2, 3 people. Oh, many people know this. Oh, wow, wow, beauty. Okay, that's called as whisper flow. WISPR flow. Great, great, great. अच्छा है. सब टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस होते जा रहे हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. I have couple of issues with these IAPs, and I want to create a GPT which will help me resolve this. Okay. The first issue is whenever I need to invite people, okay, I want to just give you a date, time, and the location of the hotel. And this gem should create an invite in the form of an image in 1:1 aspect ratio, where I can invite people to come and attend this session. The invitation should be very minimal in writing and more, it should act as a grabber to attract people attention. Okay. And we should not be mentioning anything which is against the compliance, but it should be very provoking for people to at least make a call. Okay. Great. My second issue is all the people who attend this IAP. Okay, I have no medium where I can create and keep the data. No, I think this will counter with this. This will we have to create two GPTs then. Okay, let's not do that. Let's first वाला invitation के लिए बनाते हैं. We will do what thing? We will do this GPT. Second, we will do a GPT where how the lead should be configured and what type of thing. And the third, we will do, okay, by जो lead आ गया है उसको कैसे close करने का. Okay, so we will make three GPTs. Okay, we'll lose fun. Okay, uh, so every time I ask you, I give you the date, time, and venue of the hotel, you should come out with a fresh new invite in the image mode in 1:1 aspect ratio, photorealistic, and 4K. It should look very beautiful and be ready to post. Okay. Now we are creating a IAP invite, automating the IAP invite. Okay. Wow. अब उसका बोलता भी देखो, कपिल, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द काइंड ऑफ टास्क वेयर कस्टम जीपीटी कैन सेव आवर्स एवरी वीक. Okay, bro. Thank you. Let me do check it. Okay. Uh, Name IAP invite creator. Okay. इंस्ट्रक्शन में कॉपी पेस्ट. ओके, कर दिया मैंने. ओके, लेट्स सेव दिस. ओके, स्टार्ट चैट. डेट क्या है? कल आईएपी है कि आज आईएपी है रमेश? आज है. डेट प्रदीप सर बोल रहे हैं आज है. 13/06/2026. Okay. I'm not doing anything. Just straight away without even giving any instructions. I'm going directly. Time say 7 p.m. Okay. वेन्यू कहाँ है रे? एग्जैक्ट बोलो. रमेश बोल, वेन्यू कहाँ है? वेन्यू वेन्यू. श्री बैंक्वेट्स. श्री बैंक्वेट्स. श्री बैंक्वेट्स. SR नगर, कोत्तापेट. Wait, okay, this much only. I'll not do anything. I'm just writing date, time, venue. Finished. This was the instruction I given it. Let's see how it. Initiating prompt generation. Guys, hope I am adding value. plain text image concept आया. Okay. Create, uh, no, we'll not do that. We'll say hey, in the output, I have got a text of how the creative should be, but it did not create an image. Was there any mistake? Let's see, I'm just copying this. ओके. और एक नया चैट खोल के इसमें डाल देता हूँ क्या बोलना चाहता है. तो आई थिंक दिस विल क्रिएट एन इमेज. बराबर है. इमेज क्रिएट कर रहा है. Okay. Kapil, this is exactly the kind of task. No, sorry. Huh. Hey Kapil, this is an important distinction. What I gave you custom GPT instruction, automatically create images. The instruction say create an image. Oh, it can only generate the image prompt unless the GPT is explicitly configured to use image generation tools. For use your use case, the GPT instruction should not contain a rule like. Okay, chalo, let's try that. Create the image. Okay, I have to write create the image. ठीक है, मैं उसको सिर्फ गो करूंगा तो नहीं चलेगा. Yes, I got it embedded in prompt itself, uploaded. It was generating prompt. It has given reference to my logo, but while image generation, it ignores it. Times when you have to fight the AI suffers. Sir, don't put your logos inside the GPTs. Okay, for that always use Canva. Okay, try to make let Gemini and GPT create images for you, which will be logo free. Okay, the moment you try to keep your logos and bombard, they will go for big time. Make the images without any logos using GPT and Gemini, and after creating that, just put it in Canva and add your logo. That is the best way to do it. Oh my God. An evening of wealth insights. 13 June 2026, 7 p.m. Sai Banquets. Sri Banquets Kottapet. An evening of wealth insights. These were from GPT. Let's check Gemini. An evening of wealth insights. 13 June 2006. Guys, I don't know it's good or bad, but कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा? Just you had to do is name and time. That's it. Okay, we can do a lot of changes in that. We can do, but let's not waste some time on that. Let's jump into different thing. अब उसमें क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will go for one step further. We will create a same thing. Okay, now we will go one step further. Every week, I conduct investor awareness programs and I gather around 30 to 40 clients, okay, whose data I take on a notepad using my pen and diary, okay, and after that, I'm stuck, okay, how to do follow up with these clients. Sometimes I lose these papers, okay, sometimes I end up keeping it, misplacing it. Sometimes I call 10 people, 20 people, and I forget, okay. How to come out of this? Try and create, let's try and create a GPT issue. Maybe you can build a CRM or I don't know what you can do, but I want to manage my data. How is it possible? Using a GPT or a gem, write a prompt to create that gem. मेरा थोड़ा शायद नेटवर्क स्लो है. ओके. Every week I conducted development program 22, and I forget how to came out of this defining user needs. Guys, this problem is faced by you. Do you feel so this GPT will help us? Okay. बोलता है पेन पेपर पे लिख लो. Okay, write down all the leads in the pen paper. After your program, you simply snap a photo of your diary pages and upload it to the gem. The gem will instantly extract the handwriting and convert it to a neat copy pastable table, which you can drop right into Excel or Google Sheet. It will automatically generate personalized WhatsApp messages and emails for each attendee so you can follow up immediately. Below is the exact system instruction prompt you can paste into the setup page of your custom Gem GPT. I have formatted it strictly according to the Markdown structure and checklist from your images, and it plays into a code block. So the Markdown prompting from guys, did you see this? How the solution was? मतलब तुम कुछ टेंशन मत लो, वही करो जो आप कर रहे हो, जैसे आपके पास मिलता है. ओके. आप लाके उसको दे दो, फोटो खींच के ये जब में अपलोड कर दो. आई विल फॉर्मेट इट, आई विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एक्सेल, आई विल पेस्ट इट, आई विल मेक immediate WhatsApp messages and emails for each of your attendees so you can follow up immediately. Guys, life is becoming so easy. Okay. What was the third issue with us? After getting this lead follow up and everything, what should be the next thing? Is it तो दूसरा और third तीसरा? IAP should using comment brother to create a Google Sheet for me and also created WhatsApp. That's great, sir. That is using AI now. So that's fun making it as lazy. Sir, no, sir. It is not making you lazy. It is easing your life so that you can focus more and more on client acquisition so that the operation part becomes some completely automated. See, आज के तारीख में क्या होता है, 90% ऑफ आवर टाइम इज वेस्टेड ऑन ऑपरेशनल इश्यूज. ओके. कभी कोई क्लाइंट फोन करता है, उसको अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट चाहिए, कभी कोई फोन करता है टैक्स स्टेटमेंट चाहिए, कभी कोई फोन करता है कुछ. सो ऑल दीज स्टफ्स विल, ऑल दीज जेम्स विल मेक यू सो ऑटोमेटेड. आपके लिए हर चीज एक रेडी है. एवरी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ yours you have a gem or a GPT ready. Okay. So you have this issue, you log in, you do that. You have that issue, you log in, just do it. So your life becomes very, 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 very comfortable. Okay. And you lose all that operational pressure. Okay. And you can focus only on new business acquisition. So that is the entire agenda. So guys, you want to create more GPTs or no, you want to try on yourself and then we can try something? Anybody wants to try live? कोई कोई लाइव ट्राई करना चाहता है? आई कैन मेक देम को होस्ट फॉर मैं शो यू कॉमेंट, डोंट वरी. Anybody wants to try on live by making a GPT? Oh, I don't know. Let's try. Surin is asking that we can is it possible that we upload the data of terminated SIP, okay, and then ask GPT. So what do you want the GPT to do? Soren, I am giving you just a second, Soren. I am allowing you to talk. Okay, you can just tell me what the problem I have understood, but what you want the GPT to do. Soren, you can speak.
हेलो.
Yeah.
हेलो.
Yes, Soren.
हाँ सर, मैं एक्चुअली ये चाहता हूँ कि समझो मेरे पास टर्मिनेट के स्टॉप एसआईपी का एक्सेल फाइल आता है,
Hmm.
ठीक है. वही फाइल में जीपीटी को देके ठीक है, उसमें
हम्म
से जो स्कीम चल रही है उसका परफॉर्मेंस और
हम्म
उसका रिन्यूअल डेट वो डायरेक्ट इमेज बना के क्लाइंट को भेज दे। सेम वे सपोज इंश्योरेंस की फाइल है, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, ठीक है, तो
हम्म
फाइल में जो भी उसका रिन्यूअल डेट है वो डेट के हिसाब से मेरा जो भी मेरा डिटेल उसमें फीड की है कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस है, टर्म इंश्योरेंस है, जो भी है, ठीक है,
हम्म
उसकी रिन्यूअल नोटिस जैसा इमेज जनरेट करके जनरेट कर दे। मतलब एक बार मैंने फाइल अपलोड कर दी, तो सपोज दिस मंथ, इस मंथ की 40 पॉलिसी है, 40 से 40 पॉलिसी मुझे पहले मंथ के पहले ही दिन में इमेज जनरेट करके दे, जिससे मैं क्लाइंट को भेज सकूं उसको
कर
वो
सकते
फाइल
हो,
पढ़ के।
कर सकते हो। इसमें अभी क्या देखो, अभी हम लोगों ने जो आईएपी वाला किया था ना, आईएपी में मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने उसको टाइम दिया था, डेट दिया था और लोकेशन दिया था।
हम्म।
बराबर।
यस।
ओके। आप क्या करोगे, क्लाइंट नेम दोगे, ओके, रेन्युअल अमाउंट दोगे और रेन्युअल डेट दोगे।
हम्म।
ओके। तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली इमेज क्रिएट कर देगा, सिंपल। अभी हमने
नहीं
किया
मतलब
ना,
वो
आईपी का किया
एक्सेल
ना।
फाइल रीड करके, जैसे मैंने एक एक्सेल फाइल अंदर
हाँ, आप
अपलोड कर
एक्सेल डाल
दी,
दो उसमें, वो रीड कर लेगा,
वो रीड करके सीधी इमेज बना के दे देगा। क्योंकि इससे
दे देगा।
आपने जो आप मुझे जो प्रॉम्प्ट जो हमने जो आपका पहला सेशन था उसके बाद आपके ग्रुप में मैं हूँ, आप
हम्म
जो डेली जो प्रॉम्प्ट भेजते हो ना उससे
हम्म
मैं इमेज बनाता हूँ। आप बिलीव नहीं
हम्म
करोगे इतनी ब्यूटीफुल इमेज बनती है, आप तो देख के सोचोगे नहीं कि ऐसी इमेज आपके प्रॉम्प्ट से बनाई है मैंने। एक्चुअली इधर
ओके।
में इमेज कैसे अपलोड करना है पता नहीं है, वरना मैं आपको भेजता। जो
हम्म
लास्ट टाइम आप परसों की आपने इमेज भेजी थी जो डिसिप्लिन वाली भेजी थी कि भाई ब्रिज से जाने का, तो उससे पूरे इमेज में ब्रिज बना के मुझे दिखाया है चैट जीपीटी
अच्छा।
ने।
Okay. Thank you, Sarinji. Sethi you are asking me to run the gem and show the output and WhatsApp. I didn't understand, sir. आप बात कर सकते हो, सेठी जी।
I was requesting you, you have made one output, right? The IIT follow-up.
Yeah.
So if we can run it, I would like to see how does it make the WhatsApp messages, how are they formatted?
Okay, but sir, I didn't execute it because I don't have the client data na right now.
Then we can just put, it's only name of the client, serial number, name of the client, telephone number. We can just put 2, 3 dummies.
Okay. ठीक है, let's create a gem. New gem instruction. Okay. Test the gem with one client name Ramesh M, mobile number say 9975668844. Okay. Attended on 10th June 2026. Was interested in doing SIP of 10K and health insurance. Let's try. It has created the data in the form of Excel sheet. उसने कर दिया है, CSV को एक्सपोर्ट कर लेने बोला है। Okay, it has given the code snippet, communication template, WhatsApp में हाय Thank you for attending our investor awareness program. It was a pleasure having to you join the session. Okay, I noted your specific interest in cycling. I'd love to schedule a quick 10-minute consultation to discuss how we can efficiently structure your portfolio and meet the goals. Okay, please let me know what day and time works best for you this week. Okay, formal email आ गया. देखा सर आपने? You like it?
Yes, definitely. And can this be automated in the sense that
It's already
emails get
automated, na sir?
no, emails can be sent also directly through using Outlook or otherwise?
सर उसके लिए आपको आउटलुक को इसके साथ जोड़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, आई विल शो यू समथिंग. कैन यू सी हियर वेयर इट इज, वेयर इट इज? आप क्यों नहीं दिख रहे?
Or maybe we can send it on WhatsApp if
या
like
इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर ना सर. व्हाट्सएप, हाँ, व्हाट्सएप अलाउ नहीं करता है. ओके, बिकॉज व्हाट्सएप स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिट्स एआई टू यूज इट. बिकॉज उनका खुद का व्हाट्सएप है ना, उनका खुद का एआई है ना, मेटा करके, वो फ्लॉप है. तो वो चाहते हैं कि कोई उसका यूज ना करे. व्हाट्सएप प्रोहिबिट करता है. ओके, to use all this, now we'll go to forums query. One second. Forum आपने, I've made you, given you the right to talk. Have you tried Jeep Comet forum? You there? Hello. Not able to hear you. Infinite wealth. My sincere suggestion, sir, I'd like to create a well located. My sincere suggestion, do not give client information to AI as it's violation of data privacy unless you have explicitly taken client consent. आपकी मर्जी सर. Sir, I tried image creating via the GPT way, the return calculation among it shows it's horribly wrong. I tried image creating via the GPT, the return calculation amount for SIP return, gold return. Shows horrible. I asked to cross check before. Sir, don't put the return, sir. वो अभी बैन है. आपका नाम पे आएगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. Don't put the returns. 12% वो सब रिटर्न देना बैन हो गया है. Maybe forum. Okay. Let's try Comet. Okay. Guys, there is a browser called as Comet. Okay. Which is by Perplexity. Same like Anthropic has Claude, like OpenAI has GPT, Alphabet has Google Gemini. Okay. There is one more software called as Perplexity. Okay. What is the purpose of this Perplexity is it has developed a software called as Comet. Okay, browser, Comet browser. Okay, which does lot of things automated. Okay, for example, say Google Sheet. Okay, I've opened Google Sheet. Sorry, Sheets. I've opened Google Sheet. Let's use one of my Google Sheets. Uh, okay, these are my team contacts. Okay, I'm opening the assistant. I have made this contact sheet of my South team, but I am not happy with the color coding. Can you make it more subtle and professional? Okay. I'm actually working on an Excel sheet, okay, and asking it to change the colors. Okay, let's see. Do it for me. सब कर सकता है तू. Can you see this, Forum? It is actually accessing my Google Sheet. It is changing the color coding. Yes, you have to give the access for me. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा फनीली बिहेव करता है वो. ओके, जैसे अभी आप अभी 2 मिनट पहले क्या बोला था, आई कैन नॉट एक्सेस योर गूगल शीट. ओके, देन आई गेव द लिंक देयर एंड बोला ओपन दिस लिंक एंड डू इट. ओके, तो उसने करना चालू कर दिया. And the beautiful part is, okay, when these people try to do this, it's the loveliest part is, okay, when this color coding can happen actually using a formula. So it writes that formula to change the color coding. That I loved it. You saw it's writing a proper code. Writing a proper code to change the colors. I don't know what it's doing. Let me give the access. Let me give the access. Continue. अच्छा. वाओ. घर बार छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा. You know what it did? It actually gave access. I didn't give the access. It only authorized the transaction. Okay. Just open LinkedIn. Okay. Go to assistant. Okay. Go. Forum, you are on PC. Okay. I'll make you co-host because what happens is, uh, most of the time it will not, you will face this same problem. I promoted you as a panelist. Okay. You share your screen. I'll tell you the problem. What will happen? You share your screen. You open comment. You share your screen. I'll tell you the exact issue. What was happening. I promoted as panelist, but didn't make you co-host. Sorry. Perfect. No, this is not comment. This is comment. Okay. Okay. This is not comment, right? परम ये कॉमेट नहीं है ब्राउजर, ये बिंग है। हाँ ये कॉमेट है। परफेक्ट। ओपन लिंक्डइन। नहीं नहीं, इतना ओपन मत करो, मत करो। ओपन होने दो ना उसको। देयर सम इश्यू आई थिंक, इंटरनेट का इश्यू होगा। जस्ट टैप linkedin.com। ठीक है, करो। ओके, अभी एक काम करो, ऊपर असिस्टेंट क्लिक करो। डोंट टाइप एनीथिंग, जस्ट टाइप कैन यू एक्सेस माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, which is open in the tab. That's okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. Now what you do is, अभी आप ऊपर जो linkedin.com infinite wealth करके जो एड्रेस बार में है ना, उसको कॉपी करो। कॉपी दैट। नाउ राइट अ प्रॉम्प्ट हियर। HTTP से, नो 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 नो, ओके, राइट, ओपन द फॉलोइंग पेज। वहां पर लिखो ओपन द पेज in the assistant only, right? Open the page in the assistant, right? Open the page. Open the page. अरे रुको ना फोरम। ओके, राइट, ओपन द पेज। एक काम करो, असिस्टेंट को बंद करो, नया टैब ओपन करो। जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द असिस्टेंट ऑन द अबव। असिस्टेंट करके हाँ उसको क्लिक करो, वो बंद हो जाएगा असिस्टेंट। यहाँ पे है ना, क्रो यहाँ पे, वो थोड़ा ऊपर में, थोड़ा ऊपर में असिस्टेंट करके लिखा हुआ है ना। हाँ हाँ, वो बंद करो। हाँ, ओपन ए न्यू टैब, न्यू टैब। परफेक्ट, प्लस दबा के न्यू टैब ओपन करो। न्यू, जस्ट ओपन ए न्यू टैब, जस्ट ओपन ए न्यू टैब। ओके, अब असिस्टेंट क्लिक करो। नहीं 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 नहीं, न्यू टैब, ओपन ए न्यू टैब फॉरम।
ये भगवान।
किया था ना न्यू टैब। हाँ, अब असिस्टेंट पे क्लिक करो, न्यू टैब पे जाओ, न्यू टैब पे जाओ। हाँ, अब असिस्टेंट पे क्लिक करो। ओके, नो राइट हियर, ओपन द फॉलोइंग लिंक। ओके, अब कंट्रोल लिंक, कंट्रोल वी मारो, डबल डॉट डबल डॉट, डबल, कुछ मत करो, कुछ मत करो, कंट्रोल डबल डॉट, हाँ, कंट्रोल वी, सेंड करो। मैडम आप लिंक्डइन पे साइन इन नहीं हो। सही बोला सर ने। You have opened the web page which is a public page. या आप लिंक्डइन पे साइन इन करो पहले। यस, साइन इन।
Ah,
Sir, comment can do everything. What all you want to do on the browser, comment will do it for you. Meanwhile, if Madam tries, you want me, I'll show you. Okay. For example, Gmail. And so I don't want to send a message for financial access.
ah,
Dear President, my name is Kapil Kishore. I have served as Reno. It would have directly sent him. Oh my God. Okay, I don't want to do that. Let's see. Okay. Check my inbox for any important mails I missed in the last 2 days. Param, you got it? Okay. मैं मेजरली अपना लिंक्डइन का हर चीज के लिए इसको यूज करता हूँ. I go to LinkedIn. Okay. Say for example, catch up section. Okay. इतने लोगों का बर्थडे वगैरह आज है. So all I do is just go. I just write this message. Go to my catch up section and wish all the pending people birthdays, anniversaries. Okay. पर्सनलाइज मैसेजेस ऐसा करता हूँ, छोड़ देता हूँ, कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. ओके. वो खुद ही. ओ, यू हैव हिट योर लिमिट फॉर ब्राउजर कंट्रोल टास्क. चलो ठीक है. आई थिंक आई हैव हिट माय लिमिट फॉर द डे. टू मच यूज कर लिया आज. Okay, guys. Anything else you want to know? Anything else you want to know for today's session? Yeah, yes, sir. We have a WhatsApp community. Okay. Uh, it's called as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 crores. अब एक एक फुल होते जा रहा है तो I'll send you do just do one thing. Whoever is not in my community, I'm sending you my number. Just send a message, add me into community. I'll add it to you right away. I'll share the recordings tomorrow. Yeah, I've added my number. It's in there in Go, sir. Go, ChatGPT, Go, Gemini, वो सब है ना सर. सर फ्री में आपके पास जियो एयरटेल कुछ तो रहेगा ना सर. आज साथ में आ जाता हूँ. Yeah, 1 crore community, 1.1 crore community, 1.2 crore community. If you're not there in the community, just send me a hi. I'll add. That's my number. Anything else, guys? Anything, any more assistance you want? Anything? Please let me know. Next topic, anything you want? Anybody wants to speak anything? Any problems you're facing? So just send me a hi. That's my number. Just send me a hi. I'll add you in the community. Presentation on retirement planning. Okay, I'll get it done. Complete planning, we will do it. Next week, we'll do it. We are anyway doing next week finance smart money. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. I've asked the head of the sales head of Edelweiss. Okay, he's coming next Saturday. He's joining us. Smart money. बहुत अच्छा presentation बनाया उन्होंने. I'll be hosting him next Saturday. Task flow for team. I don't know, sir. What does that mean? Can you be more specific with that? You want, I will allow you to talk. Yeah, Vedant, I will allow you to talk. देख एक बहुत मस्त मस्त बंदा है विकास बेहरा करके ही स्पेशलाइजेस इन रिटायरमेंट फंड इन HDFC. ओके, इज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. ओके, ही ओनली डज रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग. ओके, तो वो बंदे के साथ सेशन शेयर तो मैं करवा दूंगा. व्हेन डू यू वांट इट? यू लेट मी नो. आई डू इट. चाहिए तो अभी कंफर्म भी कर लेता हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू. डन गाइस, इफ नथिंग एल्स. तेजस भाई क्या झकास लग रहे हो डीपी में. Just send me a hi. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining on Saturday evening. Really, really hope I have added some value. Okay. Really, thank you. Bye, guys.